Okay, friends, so we have been to so many stores during this 2018 Shop With Me videos. I have really just enjoyed myself, and I want to share today what I have picked up, just some of the items that we have gotten so far, because I don't want to hold it too much of your time. So let's start off in today's video. So at HomeGoods, I seen these beautiful acrylic deer. This is just so absolutely beautiful, and I was so excited about them that I picked up 2 of them. Now, I picked these up from Michael's, and I think it matches those ornaments I got from Michael's last year. Look at there. I love the gold and the sequins together. So absolutely stunning. And if you knew, I love the color pink, and that just make it stand out even more. Of course, you all know at HomeGoods that I did pick it up, and I got the largest one they had, and this one was $24.99, so I couldn't pass up on that. So these gold poinsettias, I got these from Michael's last year, and I wanted you to see how, you know, we're going to pair everything up together well. I mean, like, look at that. I got these this year, and that's beautiful together. So these leaves right here, I'm going to be taking those off because I don't like how it's going to blend in with everything else, and I did pick that up right there, you guys, from Hobby Lobby. So a lot of the new things we have, we're going to pair it together, and this is also from Michael's, these beautiful ornaments from last year. I mean, look at how everything is so beautiful together. It corresponds so well, and I just love the details in these ornaments. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, this is actually one of my favorite ornaments. It's so beautiful. I love it. It is, and then they're shatterproof, so you guys know I have to have these shatterproof ornaments. So you remember when we did this DIY together? They go to iCard for that. You can click it. Found the perfect match for it. I got this at HomeGoods. It is so beautiful. It was the last one, and you know your girl just had to get it. I got a discount off. It was like $10 because it had one little scratch with it. So friends, I thank you all for just hanging out with me and seeing some of the items that we got this year. Like I said before, this was going to be a short video. Didn't want to hold up much of your time, but when we start doing our DIYs and everything this year, I'm going to show you more. So you guys have a beautiful and blessed week, and I will see you all in the next one.